Alright guys, we're back here at Camino de Oeste and Tangerine Road. We're going to start off with this guy here. Also, look at this. If I flip my phone around, that's the sign pointing the direction I'm about to cross. Why did they do that?
Wait, walk sign is on.
Looks like a new button too. A new reused unit. They used a new button unit.
Wait.
I'm trying to figure out if this one talks or something. It's got these signs.
Wait. Walk sign is on.
Nope.
Wait. Cross. Wait. Cross. Wait. Cross. Wait. Cross. Wait. Cross.
This is the side with a faulty button on it. You'll see in a minute. I might have to illegally cross because unfortunately that button is faulty and it doesn't it only works on walk signal. The fact that Marana still hasn't replaced it yet is kind of an upsetting thing to know. Should cross in a minute.
Cross. Wait to cross.
Okay. All right, let's check out this one. Even though it's just this, it's already lit.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
This one's faulty. We'll figure out if it'll actually register the walk signal because this thing doesn't do shit. This thing's in really bad shape.
Wait to cross.
Okay, it does register, but it doesn't work right. It does register the walk signal, it's just faulty. This one's high pitch. And then here's the last of them.
Wait, cross. Wait, cross. Wait to cross.
Okay, walk signal's gonna be on in a second.
Walk sign is on.
30 seconds. That's about it for this one here. But I still can't get over how ridiculous that thing looks. Like, why would you installed a new button unit, that's nice, but the problem is you just did something really stupid with it. Like, literally, come on. Alright, anyways, that will be it for this intersection. Off to the next one.